Good morning, students. Today I need to explain electric potential due to a dipole at any point. The basic equation for electric potential of a dipole, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. But here the point will not be at the axial line and it will not be at the equatorial line. So it will be placed at any point. That point is named as M. Here two charges minus Q and plus Q will be separated by a smallest distance, that is 2L, L plus L. Then that arrangement is known as the dipole. The distance from the minus Q charge to M point, that is AM. The distance from the plus Q charge to M point, that is BM. So here from C to M there is a position vector R. So M here, M represents the R comma theta. R it is the position vector, theta is the angle of elevation. So here the process to find the electric potential due to a dipole, the simple trick it is, if there is a two lines having the smallest angle between them, so here theta is smallest, then how we can find the difference between them? So the method it is, the lengths of the lines will be find out and subtract them, then we can find the difference. The another it is, if there is the two lines will be very long lengths, that is kilometers of length, then we can make the one of the normal line from the shortest line. So then we can find the extra line, that can be our difference. So as well as we have to find out here the normal line B2, N will be drawn to the CM, so that is N. So it will be extended to the up to Q and it will be drawn AQ. So here we have to find out the electric potential due to a dipole. So from triangle CNB, we can written as, so here there is 90 degrees and this can be the theta. So Cn by L is equal to cos theta, where Cn is equal to L cos theta, and similarly Cq is equal to L cos theta. So remember it. Let us write the electric potential due to negative charge V minus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by AM, and the electric potential due to positive charge V plus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by BM. Here AM is equal to R plus L cos theta and BM is equal to R minus L cos theta. Let us write where the electric potential due to negative charge, it is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus L cos theta, and similarly electric potential due to positive charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L cos theta. From these two we can write the net electric potential V is equal to V plus Q minus V minus Q. So it is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R minus L cos theta and minus 1 by R plus L cos theta. Let us simplify it. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R plus L cos theta minus R plus L cos theta by A plus B into A minus B, that is R square minus L square cos square theta. So here minus into minus of R minus L cos theta, here minus R plus L cos theta. Here minus R plus R will be cancelled out. L cos theta plus L cos theta, it is equal to 2L cos theta. It is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is 2L cos theta by R square minus L square cos theta. So here the product of charge and to the distance between two charges, here is known as the dipole moment. So where we can write V is equal V is equal P by 4 pi epsilon naught cos theta by R square minus L square cos square theta. So here theta is very less, so then cos square theta will be neglects. So here we can write V it is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by whereas R square. This is the equation for electric potential due to a dipole at any point. Is it right or not? How it can be checked out? So if theta is equal to 0, then this point should be goes out to this line, and this will be the axial point. At an axial point where cos 0 is equal to 1, then it should be V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. This is the axial line. So electric potential due to a dipole at an axial point 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, so then this will be goes out to the, so this is the normal line, and then if theta is equal to 90, cos 90 is equal to 0, whereas V at equatorial line is equal to 0. So hence the net electric potential due to a dipole at any point is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon P cos theta by R square. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and press bell icon.